Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have the ERG, a hazard ID, and radio or phone access. Open to the index and find the 4-digit guide. This tells you priority response steps. Once done, read the initial action block to learn isolation distance and protective measures. These reduce exposure and protect responders. Make sure to notify incident command and emergency dispatch immediately, giving the guide number, location, and any victims. This creates coordinated response and legal documentation. You now implement the guide's middle steps. Establish hot, warm, and cold zones using the distances shown. This controls access and preserves evidence. Don the recommended PPE, and if advised, use monitoring to track vapors or particulates because exposure limits determine safety. Once the perimeter and PPE are in place, coordinate evacuation or shelter-in-place orders for the public, explaining clear egress routes and accountability points. Make sure to update command with changing conditions so resources adjust in real time. You finish by following the ERG's decontamination and re-entry instructions to protect everyone leaving the scene. Do not shortcut these steps because secondary contamination causes injuries. Once the site is secure, complete incident documentation. Times, actions taken, exposures, and the guide entries used, which supports after-action review and legal needs. If contamination or symptoms continue, escalate immediately to hazmat or request more resources. Troubleshooting tip: if readings stay high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.